In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a new chapter in linguistics, and that is semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning, or it is the philosophical and scientific study of meaning. Semantics focuses that how a meaning is constructed and communicated in both written and spoken forms. Listeners and audience, today I am going to share with you the topic, and that is 7 types of meanings. Listeners and audience, basically there are 7 types of meaning, but today in this lecture I am going to share with you only 2 types of meaning. The rest types of meaning will be shared in the upcoming lectures. What is meant by conceptual meaning? Conceptual meaning is also called denotative meaning. It is also called dictionary meaning. It is also called lexical meaning or literal meaning. Conceptual meaning is also called logical or designative meaning. Now the question arises that what is the definition of conceptual meaning? Conceptual meaning is the clear and logical definition of a word based on the form and the structure of a word. Whenever we are talking about the form of the word, here the form of the word means the meaning of the word. Listeners and audience, for example, if I am talking about the example of conceptual meaning, take the example of needle. So now, what is the conceptual or literal or dictionary meaning of needle? Needle here refers to a sharp, thin or steel instrument. This is called, or this is the example of conceptual meaning. Another example, for example, if I say dust the cake with powdered with powdered sugar. This is one sentence. Another sentence is dust the house. Listeners and audience, I'm taking the dictionary meaning of the sentence dust the cake with powdered sugar. Here dust the cake mean add the sugar. Here dust the cake mean add the sugar. When I say dust the house, here dust the house mean remove the dust from the house. Okay. Now the question arises, what is meant by associative meaning? Associative meaning refers to other aspects of meaning. It refers to beyond the conceptual meaning. Associative meaning is also called connotative meaning. Associative meaning refers to other aspects of meaning such as emotional, personal, cultural, and social aspects of meaning. For example, as I already provided one example about needle. What is the conceptual meaning of needle? You know. And when we are talking about the associative meaning, so the associative meaning of needle is, for example, pain. The associative meaning of needle is blood. The associative meaning of needle is illness. And this associative meaning changes from person to person. And it might have another associative meanings in the mind of other person. However, we will further elaborate other types of meanings, then you will know that how meaning refers and how meanings they change even from culture to culture. Listeners and audience, let me provide another example of associative meaning. For example, if I say sea, the literal meaning of sea is a huge body of water. Okay? A huge storage of water, for example. On the other hand, if you are talking about the associative meaning, so the associative meaning of sea is danger. If we are talking about, for example, another examples, you may take the example of a cat. So how we will take a literal meaning? You may take the example of another thing. So conceptual meaning refers to dictionary meaning. Associative meaning refers to connotative meaning based on the personal, emotional and other aspects of meaning. Hope that this topic is clear too. And the other lectures we will further explain other types of associative meanings and also 5 types of meanings which we will discuss in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.